Mathematics, Sir Kenneth Charisma, and to our guest speaker, Police Lieutenant Ken Cherico Di Belardo, to our assistant to the principal, Sir Jonas F. Abindan, to our barangay captain, Honorable Tessie Agbayani, to our SK chairman, Ryan J. Lorica, to all our dear parents, guests, graduates, faculty, and staff, good morning. I am Reina Pirasi Baliz. It is both an honor and a humbling privilege to stand before you today. 6 years ago, I entered Antonino G. Bosano Senior High School full of fear. Today, I stand before you carrying dreams I once thought were impossible. This school didn't just teach me, it transformed me. This school gave me countless of opportunities I never imagined I would have. One of the turning points in my journey was being introduced to campus journalism. At first, it was new and challenging, but thanks to Ma'am Georgie P. Howe, who taught me for 4 years, I developed my writing skills and learned the true essence of campus journalism, to inform, educate, and serve with truth and integrity. It also opened doors, allowing me to qualify and win in the school's press conferences. And of course, as a batch, we didn't just share classrooms. We shared pieces of ourselves. We stayed up late at night finishing projects, pushed through sleepless nights just to earn the scores we hoped for, and faced moments when we felt overwhelmed, tired, and ready to give up. Yet, we never faced those moments alone. I remember how we would quietly or loudly review inside the classroom before quizzes, teaching each other, explaining lessons, and making sure no one was left behind. In those simple acts, we showed what it truly means to support one another. We became each other's strength in times of doubt, laughter in times of stress, and comfort in moments of pressure. And now, as we stand here today, we realize that those struggles were never just challenges. They were the moments that built us, connected us, and transformed us into who we are. Because in the end, it wasn't just about passing exams or completing requirements. It was about growing together, rising together, and making it here together. To all of our teachers, thank you for guiding us with patience, wisdom, and dedication. You did not just teach us lessons from books, you taught lessons that shaped our lives and our perspectives. I would like to give a special thanks to my advisor, Sir Jersam Euro, who reminded me of something I will carry forever. Sir Euro always say, hindi natin alam ang lahat. Kaya mag-aral kayo palagi hanggang kaya nyo, and huwag kalimutan na maging humble. That simple yet powerful lesson grounded me. It taught me that no matter how far we go or how much we achieve, there is always more to learn, and there is always a room for improvement. The world was not made for our convenience. Again, Sir Euro also mentioned, sa halip na magreklamo, gawin natin ang ating makakaya. It means that life will not always adjust to make things easy for us. Instead, we must learn to adapt, grow, and persevere through challenges. To my parents, Papa, Mama, and my family, thank you for your unconditional love, sacrifices, and unwavering support. You were my strength in moments of weakness, my motivation when I felt like giving up, and my constant reminder why I need to keep going. Everything I have achieved today is because of you. And to my fellow graduates, my best friends, Jenny, Princess, Ashley, Honey, and Sean. My friends, my second family, thank you. Thank you for the laughter in the middle of stress, for the shared struggles, and for the memories that made this journey worthwhile. You inspired me, you challenged me, and of course, helped me become better. Above all, I thank God for His guidance, strength, and unwavering presence throughout this journey. This achievement could not have been possible without His grace. And today, I humbly offer all the glory back to Him as we celebrate our graduation. Each of us has our own stories of perseverance, resilience, and growth. And today, we celebrate not just our achievements, but everything we overcame just to get here. So, do not be afraid to fall. Do not be afraid to fail, because failure enables you to learn. Just like what I said during our moving up na malayo na pero malayo pa. Tayo ngayon ay malayo na pero hindi pa tapos. Because this is just the beginning of our journey to different paths. Mabuhay and congratulations graduates of batch 20